The 2025 Volkswagen Corrado marks a bold return of one of the brand's most iconic and beloved performance coupes, reimagined for the modern era. Originally known for its sleek design and spirited driving dynamics in the late 1980s and early 1990s, the Corrado now emerges as a future-forward vehicle that blends heritage with advanced technology, sustainable performance, and unmistakable German engineering. Volkswagen has positioned the 2025 Corrado as a premium sports coupe aimed at driving enthusiasts who crave sharp handling and aggressive styling without compromising on daily usability. While the original Corrado earned acclaim with its supercharged G60 engine and the VR6 variant, the new version takes performance to a new level with a fully electric powertrain. The Corrado now rides on Volkswagen's cutting-edge SSP platform, developed specifically for performance-oriented EVs, and benefits from advancements in weight distribution, torque vectoring, and battery efficiency. Powering the new Corrado is a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers approximately 430 horsepower, enabling a 0-60 mph time in just under 4.0 seconds. A single-motor rear-wheel drive variant is also available for purists who prefer a more traditional sports car feel. The battery pack offers a range of around 300 miles on a single charge, supported by ultra-fast DC charging capability that replenishes 80% of the battery in about 25 minutes. Regenerative braking is adjustable and adds to the car's efficiency and driving involvement. The design of the 2025 Corrado pays homage to its predecessor while embracing a futuristic aesthetic. The body is low, wide, and aggressively sculpted, featuring a sharp front fascia with matrix LED headlights, a streamlined profile with bold creases, and a dynamic rear end with a full-width taillight bar. Active aerodynamic elements, such as a retractable rear spoiler and adaptive grille shutters, contribute to both style and performance. Inside, the cabin reflects Volkswagen's commitment to minimalist luxury. Premium recycled materials, vegan leather options, and customizable ambient lighting give the interior a refined feel. A 12.9-inch curved digital display handles infotainment and vehicle settings, complemented by a heads-up display and haptic feedback controls. Connectivity features include over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full integration with Volkswagen's mobile ecosystem. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. In terms of driving dynamics, the Corrado is tuned for precision and engagement. The low center of gravity, sport-tuned adaptive suspension, and variable steering ratio give it a confident and nimble feel on twisty roads. A performance package includes larger brakes, a limited-slip rear differential, and track-optimized driving modes, appealing to enthusiasts who plan to take the Corrado to the circuit. Volkswagen has made it clear that the 2025 Corrado isn't just a nostalgic revival, it's a statement of intent. By fusing electrification with the soul of a classic driver's car, the new Corrado represents a key pillar in Volkswagen's strategy to electrify its performance lineup. Enthusiasts and environmentalists alike will find much to admire in this reborn legend, which confidently bridges the past and the future.